Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to implement black and white BW effect on Capcut PC. So here I have this Ronaldo photos, a very great player, I think. So what you have to do after you put or import your videos or images on Capcut PC, you go to this effect and scroll down. You can find this cartoon. Make sure you expand this video effects and then find this cartoon and then scroll down again until you can find this BMW sketch. You just drag the effect into your timeline and then adjust the time into your desirable area or desirable timeline of your. So for instance, I can make such as a blink video like this. It's really cool. See, it's really dramatic if your videos on cinematic or dramatic video. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If this is, please subscribe our channel. If you think this content is really helpful, please click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next video.